COVID-19 has no doubt taken a toll on local businesses, but for some like this one, they've found success by adapting. A local business booming in April amid the coronavirus pandemic.
They're waiting in lines that are 10 people deep all day long.
Ogden's own distillery is known for its spirits like Five Wives vodka, but lately, a new alcohol concoction has people lining up.
How you doing? Come on in.
Their newest product, Five Wives Sanitize, a top shelf hand sanitizer.
But it is really good stuff. So they're a spray bottle. They're pretty efficient. That will get everything.
Stephen Page has been a sales rep for the distillery for 6 years. But when COVID-19 hit, bars and restaurants closed down and his role changed.
Never thought I'd be a sanitizer specialist, but it feels good to give back a little bit. So that's
With
fine.
demand high on hand sanitizer, it's become so popular, they've had to put a limit on it.
So if I can touch, 150 people as opposed to just 10 with gallons, then we will do the little bottles. So that's what we're doing at this time. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, stay healthy.
Thank you so much.
Did you ever think in 2009 when you started this that you would ever be making hand sanitizer?
No. And
Steve Conlon, president and CEO, says he knew the pandemic was serious. Some regulations changed, allowing distilleries to make sanitizer, and he immediately had a chat with his partner.
I said, hey, we can make hand sanitizer. And his response was, do we really want to do that? And I said, well, can we not? I mean, it's such a need. It's such a need that we have to.
They have been nonstop with the Five Wives Sanitize ever since.
It's just nuts. It's nuts.
Not only has it kept their doors open, they've helped out other local businesses.
We have a print shop next door, and the fact that we've printed all these labels there has literally saved their business. I can say the same about Grounds for Coffee, who's doing our distribution.
Steve says he's also been able to hire temporary employees and bring some back permanently. Christopher Williams used to work at the distillery, but had to leave after having surgery. He's been on the job hunt for a while, but not anymore.
Feels good to be able to do my part, plus just go back to work in general.
This go round, his duties are a little different.
Bottling booze was what I did, but now hand sanitizer is what I do. To just help the public as whatever way we can is great.
Along with donating sanitizer to frontline healthcare employees, the company is also helping those closest to them, the employees of shut down bars and restaurants.
All of our profits from the distillery for the month of March and April were going to the food and beverage industry.
Their income immediately stopped, and they're all, they're dealing with tips, so it's a pretty severe thing.
Steve says they can have fun with the success of it all, but if it wasn't important, they wouldn't be doing it.
When you're delivering stuff and dropping it off at IHC and ICU nurses, that's saving lives. It's literally saving lives.
In Ogden, for Utah Insight, I'm Rayanne Christensen.